This new research about your brain is shocking. There's a new term called glymphatics. Now, what the heck is that? Allow me to explain. So, right in here, this is what glymphatics is. The glymphatic system is a recently discovered microscopic waste clearance system that utilizes a unique system of perivascular channels formed by astroglial cells, which is a fancy word by saying your immune system in your brain. This is critical. Promotes efficient elimination of soluble proteins and metabolites from your central nervous system. So, if you have brain fog, brain fatigue, if you have any concussions, if you have a bad gut, you have a leaky brain. You also have a weak glymphatic system. Now here's another picture I want to show you is your glymphatic system really works while you're sleeping. You can see right over here on the left, you're going to see the arrows there. You're going to see one arrow on top that's going to see sleep, and then in the middle it's going to say glymphatic flow, and then right below that you're going to see another red area. You're going to see all those dots. Now if we look all the way over to the right, you're going to see basically a yellow area. When you're awake, your glymphatic system isn't working as efficient. So sleeping is very, very critical. So I'm going to go over 4 top things that you can do to improve your glymphatic system. Number 1 is start to sleep better. I have lots of videos on how you can increase your sleeping habits. Number 2 is move your body. Any exercise is better than nothing. Exercise moves your lymph in your brain. Number 3, start taking omega-3 fish oils because this helps the lymph in your brain move. Number 4 is use a 𝗕ci machine. This is critical. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.